Hey y'all, so I'm making a cake and I am making a cake that uses buttermilk. I went all over looking for it, wouldn't you know, couldn't find any. So I'm gonna make my own buttermilk and I'm gonna show you how. Okay, let me switch my camera. So I have about a cup and a third of whole milk. That's what I needed is a cup and a third of buttermilk. So it's in a bowl and it's just a cup and a third of milk. And so for about every cup of milk, I'm going to add a tablespoon. Now, I'm not measuring because I've done this a lot, but a tablespoon of lemon juice. Okay? So I'm just going to add a tablespoon and a little bit more to it. And then I'm going to give that a good stir and let it sit there for about 5 or 10 minutes, and I'll show you what'll happen. Actually, more like 10 minutes, probably because it's a bit larger than I normally use or make. But I want you to kind of see, and there you go. You can kind of see that it's thick and kind of curdled. And it's not exactly the same as buttermilk. You always want to try to use buttermilk if you can, but it works great for a pinch. So there you go.